Hello crochet friends, Lorraine here from Crochet Crafts. Have you ever seen a stitch that looks like a little glowing stars all connected? Well, today I will show you a step-by-step how to crochet the star stitch. It's beginner friendly, super textured, and perfect for scarves, blankets, or even bags. So make sure to stick around till the end because I will share a pro aging tip that makes your star looks crisp and polished. You will not want to miss it. Let's start by making an even number of chains. I'm going to chain 17 for this demo, but you can adjust your length of your project. So here's a quick tip. Keep your tension light so that the first row of your stars will not feel too tight. So I will chain slowly here so that you can crochet along with me. Alright, that's our foundation done. Time to make our first. To create the first star, we are going to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook, and we are going to pull up a loop. Insert, pull up a loop. Do the same in the next 4 chains. Take your time and count carefully. Now you are going to have 6 loops on your hook. We are going to yarn over and you are going to pull through all 6 loops in one smooth motion. Chain 1 to lock the star. Look at that, your very first crochet star. Isn't it pretty? Now let's make our second star nice and slowly so you see exactly where my hook is going. So insert your hook into the closing chain. This is the closing chain right there. We are going to insert in there, pull up a loop on the side of our star, which is here. Pull up a loop. Now into the space here, pull up a loop, then into the next 2 chains. So this is the 1 chain and 2 chains. So at this point we have 2, 4, 6 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1 to lock the stitch. That's your second star. See how they are stacking up beautifully? Let's repeat that a few more times together so you get the rhythm. So now we are left with one stitch, and we are going to do a half double crochet. That will be the end of our row. Now for row 2, we are going to crochet across to make the stars pop. Here's what to do. Into the eye of each star stitch, that's a little hole right there in the center. We are going to make 2 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert into that little hole in the center, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, back into the eye of the star, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So we are going to repeat. Make sure that you are going to insert your hook where it's supposed to go. This fills out the row and gives the project a nice even texture. I'm going to do the next fill slowly so you can follow along. So first you need to see where your eye is, that little hole there. As you can see, here's the next one, and here's the next one. Make sure you know where you're putting your hook. So you're going to yarn over into that hole, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. So we're going to do another one back into the same eye. Oops. In that last stitch right there, we are going to do 1 half, double crochet. Now we are going to add another row of stars. So to do that, we are going to chain 3 and turn our work. Just like before, we'll be picking up loops. So first into the second chain from the hook, into the next chain. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Now into the first stitch, four, into the following. Now we have 5 loops, into the following. Now we have 6 loops. We are going to yarn over, pull through all 6, chain 1, and from here we're just going to repeat the same process across the row. I'll make a few slowly here while you crochet along. And here's the bonus tip I promised. Once we have done your final star row, add a border of single crochet stitches all around your project. This frames your stars perfectly and keeps the edges from curling, giving your work a neat and professional finish. And that's it. You have mastered your crochet star stitch. It's a gorgeous stitch for scarves, baby blankets, cushion covers, and so much more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my crochet stitch series playlist for more step-by-step beginner tutorials. The next stitch is even more textured and I cannot wait to show you. So stay tuned. When in doubt, keep stitching.